It's Amazon Prime Day, so we are going to be reacting to Amazon Prime life hack things. I go live every single week on YouTube, 10 a.m. Pacific on Wednesdays. If you like this video and you want to see more of my live reactions, come check it out. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. All right, so first up from But First Coffee, please go subscribe to her. She is an amazing creator. She has some amazing content. So this is a mini vac. Let's see. I'm gonna mute this just because I want to see it. Mini vac. It bought on YouTube. Bought on Amazon. Looks pretty cool. First of all, can we just talk about how this utensil drawer already looks immaculately clean? What's the price? Great question. The price is, let's see, Amazon Prime price, $40. $40? I don't know about that one, y'all. That's some money. But First Coffee, your utensil drawer is immaculate. If I had been creating this life hack, just a little creative criticism from a fellow life hacker, I would have hella made it dirty. I would have sprinkled some flour in there. I would have done a lot of things to make this worth it. But that's just what I have to say about it. So I think that the general vibe in the chat, let's see, it's fine. It's fine. All right, so next we have an automatic pump. Let's see. Yep, okay, we got a soap dispenser. I like it. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's motion sensing. Who doesn't love a good not have to touch mechanism? We've all learned in the pandemic that hands are gross, people are gross. Now that I'm realizing it, this would make my life terrible because my beautiful, almost 11-month-old daughter, while bath time is happening, would just wave her hand under it and all of the soap would come out. So in my life right now, no, I would not use it. All right, so next bought on Amazon is a patio umbrella. Let me tell you something. Patio umbrellas, lawn umbrellas are some of the worst products on the market. The problem with it is that the base isn't big enough. If the base was just big enough, then it would have enough counterbalance to act as a good umbrella for the lawn, and I would get shade all day. I would move it around all day. It would be great. How much do you think this patio is worth? Everyone's saying more than 50. I think it's more than 52, but it's on Amazon, so you never know. This might be less than $50, which is how they get you. All right, and then it's just delivered to your house in 2 days. Amazon is too powerful. Bow, 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 bow. How much is it? $3. Holy Mary, Mother of God. $381? But, I mean, I guess look at all these features. We got there are other ones for $400? $400? Almost $500? I just want everyone to know that that is a umbrella that if it ever blows down, I would be so mad.
Patio. This thing is really cool because it rotates around 360 degrees. So on our patio, we can sort of move it with the sun, depending on where the sun is on our patio. And it also tilts like up and down to give you just like a full range of motion. We've been really, really happy with this. I feel like for the quality you're getting and the general price point compared to other similar.
General price point? Hey, general price point is $400. Is that a normal price for a dope umbrella that doesn't fall over? No wonder people buy the crappy umbrellas at Home Depot. That is so expensive. If you are ever at a picnic and having a great time and you see one of these umbrellas, you know that those people got that money. Like, got that money, you know? Like, that's wild. Beautiful. All right, so next.
Of acrylic organizers is my egg organizer. This is something I bought just because I thought it would look cute. I was like, it would be cute to have my eggs organized in a clear carton instead of a cardboard one. I have just found this like so much better for egg storage.
Okay, I eat a lot of eggs. If you were in the live stream last week, you know that I eat a lot of eggs every single day. I have about 2 hard-boiled eggs because my wife loves hard-boiled eggs, so now that I'm married to her, I eat hard-boiled eggs all the time.
I love that I can store more than a dozen eggs in here, and I think most of all is I can always really quickly see how many eggs we have. I would overbuy eggs all of the time. Like I would come home with a carton.
For all my ADD fans out there and all my ADHD peeps out there, you want to see what you have, and I get that because hey, do I have eggs? I don't know. Let's find out. Eggs, 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 eggs. Eggs, 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 eggs. All right, everyone, let's relax. Everyone relax. Okay. I don't think that my wife would like it because she isn't as afflicted by, oh, gee, I forget syndrome as much as I am. So in our house, I would personally buy it thinking that it would help me. And then in our house, it probably wouldn't help me. Can glasses. What is this?
Glasses, I've actually purchased them now so that we have like a larger set to keep in our kitchen. I love the way that these look. I also just find them to be like the perfect size. They're not too tall, they're not too short. And
they look great for coffee, just like that. I drink coffee black every single day. Black coffee straight into my veins. I am a monster, and I know that. I also drink hot coffee in the summer. I know I'm a monster, okay? I have a problem, okay? But when I see something like this on Amazon, when I see something like this that is clearly cute, that is clearly made to just play in to the beautiful frothed milk lifestyle that is this lifestyle. I mean, yeah, look, add some cinnamon. That is a delicious treat that I want to drink, okay? So yeah, I'd buy this. That's the point. Sorry. I'm getting reactions from the chat. Emily, it's summer. Hot coffee won the fresh hell. I know, okay? I know. I'm a monster. I just need coffee.
Oil spritzer, and I love it because you can fill it with your favorite oil. Now this came about originally when I bought an air fryer. Lots of times when you're doing things with air frying, you need a little bit of oil on the thing to cook it. And personally, I really only like to cook with olive oil. I don't love to use like lots of the other oils that come in the sprays.
Whoa. I want this. Wait, I'm wrong. I want this. I want this in my life. This seems like a very cool thing. An oil sprayer. I use oil almost every single day when I cook, and sometimes I spray too much oil. I love cooking with oil. If I had an oil sprayer like this, I would, oh my God, this is cool. This is, to me, this is the first thing that's like, oh, I really want to buy this.
So this allows me to use my favorite olive oil in a sprayer, and I can spray it onto whatever I'm cooking and pop it into the air fryer. But even though I bought this specifically,
cool. How much does this cost? It costs $10. That's the first thing that I'm, hell yeah, that's worth it. That's worth it. Heck yeah. Laundry hampers.
Hamper is actually a 2-in-1 because it's actually 2 laundry hampers. I've shared both of these before like multiple times, but the first one is my over the door laundry hamper, or like back of the door. We keep this on the back of the door in our kitchen, and it's so great to just like throw in dish towels, throw in like my kids.
Wow, this is another one. Dang, dude. That's back to back.
His clothes got dirty while they were eating, I can throw it in there. It's just like for any place that maybe you might want a laundry basket, but you don't necessarily have room for a full laundry basket, it can go hanging up on a wall or on a door. And what's really easy is when you're ready to wash it, you can just take it right off the hooks, carry it right down to the washing machine.
Wow. Yeah, as a full-on dad, that's a big deal. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please, if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below. We're live 10 a.m. Pacific every single Wednesday, and we're uploading videos all the time. Podcasts on Thursdays, best of on Fridays, shorts on Saturday and Sundays, and guess what? Mondays, For You page react, where I show you my personal TikTok For You page, and I react to it. Then on Tuesdays, hour-long cut down of this very live stream. This basketball laundry hoop is incredible. All right, I love it. I want it, but I bet it's like $8. Let's find out. Let's see. Let's find out. It is 49% off today because of Amazon Prime Day. It's $18. What? Does it come in a pack of 8? That's kind of expensive though. Like, I don't know. That's kind of That's kind of expensive. $18 for this thing? I don't know, dude. For every time I needed a laundry hamper that may or may not be in the right place, I don't know. Now these, I might be into. These might be cool.
My favorite winter gloves that I have found recently are these North Face ones. They're not super heavy duty like snowboarding gloves. They're like great everyday gloves for like going outside, driving in the car.
What's the power button for? You see this power button? Or do you think they're heated? Can you recharge these gloves?
Being with the kids outside. They have the smart touch on the fingers so you can still use your phone, which is really nice, and it's actually like good smart tech, because I've used a lot of gloves that say they have smart tech in the finger and you're like swiping and swiping, it's not working. It's a very reliable one. Number 18 is the All Choice.
Wait a second, we're just gonna go right past that without actually testing the gloves? I wanna test the gloves, dog. Oh, now I kinda want these though, because it does get cold here. It does. It gets very kind of terrifyingly cold here sometimes. I mean, terrifying like anyone that's used to living in an oven. If the oven drops below a certain temperature, it gets cold. I'm looking outside at the sun right now. And it can get down to like 39 here. And it is really cold. I don't really have that great of insulation in my house. So when it's cold here, it's cold here. Wait, you don't need smart technology. Just lick your index finger of your glove? Is that true? Oh my God. I need to note take that. I can't believe that that's a thing. Does everyone know that? Did everyone know that you can just lick the index finger or whatever finger of your glove and it's just apparently it works as a touch? That's crazy. That's crazy to me. My gloves are gross. I don't want to lick them. Oh! That's a very good point. Can you lick a glove to make it smart touch? Maybe, but do you want to lick the glove to make it a smart touch? That's a really good point. Yeah, everyone, I agree. Don't want to lick my gloves. Yeah. Yeah, sorry. Ooh, ah. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. All right, so this is the electric lighter. This is actually, I really do love electric lighters. I think they're just really fun to watch.
I bought an electric lighter for the first time this year, and I love it. I've like gotten rid of all of our other lighters. There's something very satisfying about lighting with electricity.
It's pretty cool, right? Look at this.
But I've like gotten rid of all of our electric lighter.
Look how cool that is. Look at that. It's so cool to watch, isn't it? It's like you're watching science in action. It's like you're watching everything they warned you about Thomas Edison and everyone else that invented the light bulb before him. Also, I'm a candle boy now. Like, dude, candles rock. Candles rock. Everyone should get into candles. Just let the wick burn longer than you think and it won't tunnel. And oh, it brings ambiance and such a nice little smell to the room. Candles rule.
I love it. I've like gotten rid of all of our other lighters. There's something very satisfying about lighting with electricity. I also love that you can just recharge it.
I want to see what this is before we end the live stream. I want to see what this is.
Never look nice in your home. So this just gives them a nice little cover to make them plain, to make them match in with your home. Just sort of like this
Oh, it's just like a cute cover.
Random product that we absolutely love. And now I have, I think 3 or 4.
Okay, so things like this, it's like, do I want my house to be cuter? Absolutely. Do I want something that would probably take up more room, gather more dust, and kind of be annoying to change out every time I need to? No. So I probably would not.
4 of them.
I probably would not buy this, which, you know, sad. But also, I'm absolutely people that would buy this. Hell yeah, you do you, dog. If you like this video and you want to subscribe, please do. Look, subscribe everyone to Sydney Raz, live on YouTube every single Wednesday at 10 a.m. Pacific time. FYP reactions every single Monday. That's right. I show you my FYP every single Monday. It's very personal. Guess what else? Live stream reactions. You like this live stream reaction? Guess what? You can get more every single Tuesday. We do an hour-long cut down of this live stream before the live stream on Wednesdays. And then we do 16-minute or 15-minute life hack best of compilations. We release those on Friday. That's pretty cool. I have all my shorts here. I upload shorts every single day here on YouTube. And of course, the podcast. Wherever you listen to podcasts, we upload those every single Thursday. Explain Like I'm 30. We interview a lot of cool guests. Content all the time here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I have had an absolute blast. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching this live stream. And thank you for anyone watching this cut down for showing support by leaving a comment, clicking that notification bell, subscribing, and just having a blast with us here on YouTube. All right, that's it, everyone. Thank you so much. I really hope that you enjoyed this live stream. I will see you next Wednesday here on YouTube at 10 a.m. Pacific time. Everyone, have a great day.